Hi guys! It's 2 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 8 p.m. na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, katatapos ko lang nagluto ng munggo. Ayan ang kind of munggo guys. Ayan, loaded of pork and alubati guys, para mas masarap siya guys. Ayan guys, napakasarap ng aking munggo guys. Ginisang munggo requested by my asawa. So ayan guys, ang sarap guys. At syempre guys, masarap ang ulam guys. And of course guys, rice is life. And meron din tayong pa-pork pa. Kasi sobrang dami yung pork ko. Kaya yung iba hindi ko nilagay. So eto guys, kain tayo ng Jonas ginisang munggo. Napakasarap talaga guys. Promise. Oh.